Hello, today we are going to look at ifs function. Now let's look at what ifs function is. Is a pre-made function in Excel which returns value based on one or more true or false conditions. Now I have this example here. I will enter my equal sign, then type ifs like that. Then the logical test 1 will be this cell C3. Then the next argument is value if true, then I will say greater than 90. I will say that will be first, comma, then logical test 2 will be this cell again. Then I will say if greater than 50, comma, open speech marks or quotation marks, this will be normal, comma. Then we have logical 3. I will still click on this cell. Then I will say the argument says value if true 3. I will say if it is less or equal to 50, I will say slow. Then I will end with double quote, hit enter. So you can drag it downwards like this. So this is how ifs function works. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more.